Holly McKhann coming to you with an incredible listing in Aliso, Viejo. This gorgeous 3-bed, 2.5-bath townhome condo is spectacular. Just look at where I'm standing. You've got a 2.5-story tall vaulted ceiling that welcomes you right when you walk in. The living room is flooded with natural light due to the many windows, and of course the vaulted ceilings just accentuate that wonderful feature. You've got a cozy fireplace here in the living room, and the open concept flows seamlessly right into the dining room. The owners have done a lot of extensive and thoughtful upgrades and updates, including the high-end recessed lights here in the dining room. And additionally, they removed part of the walls to create an even further open concept as you flow from the dining room into the casual family room. There's built-in bar shelves with mirrors, a wine fridge right here in the dining room, and all kinds of extra cabinetry. The kitchen has been updated with gorgeous custom cabinetry, and they even have the glass fronted cabinets to show off your special treasures. As you come in here to the kitchen, you can see the granite countertops, as well as a lot of extensive trim and custom finish work that just elevates the look and feel of this kitchen. The high-end stainless steel appliances really complete your gourmet kitchen look and feel. You've got a built-in microwave, an oven, and a warming drawer. So if you want to keep that food warm at a party, it's so convenient and easy. This gorgeous stainless steel counter depth fridge is also included. And if you're one of those people that likes to be extra organized with the pull-out pantry drawers, you're in luck because this home has it. Upstairs in the primary suite, you have another cozy fireplace for those romantic evenings. Additionally, you've got a lot of outstanding light coming in from the windows, and you've got vaulted ceilings with some really interesting angles just to add that extra architectural interest. The primary bathroom has been really nicely updated like the rest of the home. Granite countertops, custom cabinetry, high-end faucets, glass walk-in shower, and even a jetted tub for some wonderful relaxation. The outdoor space of this amazing home is so special. You've got this wonderful fountain that adds the soothing sounds of relaxation, and just imagine yourself enjoying a meal or relaxing with friends or family right here. All of the outdoor areas are seen and connected to the living room, dining room, and family room. So it's just a natural extension of the home that makes the home feel bigger, and it gives you that indoor-outdoor living feel. This condo complex features a gorgeous pool and spa to enjoy with your friends and family whenever you like. Additionally, the location of this complex is phenomenal. You're just a 7-minute drive away from Aliso Viejo Town Center, where there are movies, restaurants, shopping, grocery stores, and everything you could possibly need. You're also just a few minutes away from both the 73 toll road or the 5 freeway for easy commuting. Make sure you come and take a look at this gorgeous home right away because it will not last long.